Good morning. This is Dr. Ashutosh Bajpai from SRMS IBS Lucknow. Today I am going to discuss a brief outline of the subject quantitative techniques. In quantitative techniques, we will deal with number system including LCM, HCF, square root and cube root, simplification, percentage, profit and loss including discount, average, speed and distance including problems on trains and boats, time and work, simple and compound interest, ratio and proportions, fractions, partnership and problems from height and distance. These are the major topics which will be discussed in this paper of quantitative techniques. Quantitative techniques, this is a very simple subject. In my opinion, mathematics is the easiest subject that could be. जो हो सकता है सबसे आसान पेपर है मैथमेटिक्स, but the requirement is you have to study in the right direction. Before starting this subject quantitative techniques or as far as syllabus of quantitative techniques concerned, I am going to discuss a few topics which are of your interest. Today we will discuss writing the table of 9 and 19. Students find it very difficult to remember the table of 19. I will discuss a very short trick, writing table of 9. You just start from 0. From top to bottom you write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. For writing table of 9, what I have done? I have written 0 to 9 from top to bottom. Now, I will write 0 to 9 from bottom to top. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. What I have done? I have written 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 9 from top to bottom, and then from bottom to top I have written 0 to 9. This is the table of 9. Is it simple? Now, similarly writing the table of 19. For writing table of 19, we will write all the odd numbers starting from 1. You just write 1, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, then 7, then 9, 11, then 13, then 15, then 17 and 19. What I have done? From top to bottom I have written all the odd numbers starting from 1 and ending in 19. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 2, 13, 13 plus 2, 15, 15 plus 2, 17 and 17 plus 2, 19. Now again from bottom to top I will write 0 to 9, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now this is table of 19. How easy it is. Now you can develop a trick for writing table of 29. In case of 29, we will start from 2. In case of table of 9, we have started from 0. In case of table of 19, we have started from 1. And in case of table of 29, we start from 2. And we will add 3, 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 3, 14. 14 plus 3, 17. 17 plus 3, 20. 20 plus 3, 23. 23 plus 3, 26. 26 plus 3, 29. What I have done? I have started writing from 2 and adding 3, 3. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 3, 14. 14 plus 3, 17. 17 plus 3, 20. 20 plus 3, 23. 23 plus 23, 26. 26 plus 3, 29. Now from bottom to top I will write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now this is a table of 29. I hope today you have learned writing the table of 9, 19 and 29. Similarly, you can write the table of 39, 49, 59, 69 and so on. You must have enjoyed this trick. Now next trick, remembering square of a number, students find it difficult. but today we are going to discuss a trick of finding the square of a number ending in 5. Number ending in 5 are 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95 and 105. You can, we will discuss only this much. Square of 5 is 25. You know about it. Square of 5 is 25. Now finding square of 15. Now 15 is ending in 5. Before 5 the number is 1. Successor of 1 is 2. You just multiply 1 by its successor. Successor of 1 is 2. You just multiply 1 by 2. 1 into 2 is 2. And then write 25. This is square of 15. Next number is 25. Finding the square of 25. Before 5 2 is written. Successor of 2 is 3. You just multiply 2 by its successor. 2 by into 3 is 6. Then write 25. Square of 25. How easy it is. Square of 35. Before 5 3 is written. Successor of 3 is 4. You just multiply 3 by its successor. 3 into 4 is 12. Then write 25. This is square of 35. In case of square of 45, before 5 4 is written. Successor of 4 is 5. 4 multiplied by 5 is 20. Then write 25. The square of 55, before 5 5 is there. 5 into 6 is 30. Then write 25. Successor of 5 is 6. 5 into 6 is 30. And then write 25. Finding square of 65. Before 5 6 is there. Successor of 6 is 7. 6 multiplied by 7 is 42. And then write 25. This is square of 65. Finding the square of 25. Before 5 7 is there. Successor of 7 is 8. 7 multiplied by 8 is 56. Then write 25. This is square of 75. Then 85. Successor of 8 is 9. 8 multiplied by 9 is 72. Then write 25. Square of 85 हो गया. Now square of 95. Before 9, before 5 9 is there. 9 successor of 9 is 10. 9 multiplied by 10 is 90. Then write 25. Square of 95. Finding square of 105. Before 5 10 is there. Successor of 10 is 11. 10 multiplied by 11 is 110. Then write 25. This is square of 105. I hope you can learn the square of this much numbers. The number is square of a number ending in 5. It is very simple to find the square of a number ending in 5. What you have to do? You just multiply the preceding number before this, that is 1, by its successor. Successor of 1 is 2. 1 into 2 is 2, and then write 25. In case of square of 25, successor of 2 is 3. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. 6 and 25 and so on. I hope you must have enjoyed this trick, and keep on learning these small tricks that will benefit you in learning quantitative technique paper. And finding the square of a number which consists of ones only. There is a beautiful trick. Square of 1 is 1, this much you know. Now finding square of 11. How many digits are there? 2 digits are there. 1 and 1, 2. You just write 1, then 2, then reverse 1. Answer is 121. Square of 11 is 121. Now finding the square of 111. 1 is coming how many times? 3 times. You write 1, 2, 3. There are 3 digits na? You write 1, 2, 3. Then reverse 2, 1. This is square of 111. Square is 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Now finding the square of 1111. How many times 1 is there? 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then reverse 3, 2, 1. This is the square of 1111. How many times 1 is coming? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 4, 3, 2, 1. This is the answer. Finding the square of this number. How many times 1 is coming? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. Answer will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is the answer. In this case, 1 is coming how many times? 7 times. So answer will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then reverse 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In this case, 1 is how many times? 8 times. The answer will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is the answer. And in this case, 1 is coming 9 times. The answer will be, you can 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then reverse 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is the answer. I hope you must have enjoyed finding the squares of this number. So today we have learned writing the table of 9, 19, 29 and so on. You can practice it on your own. And second, we have learned about finding the square of a number ending in 5 and finding the square of a number having only ones. It is my humble request to all of you who are watching this video that practice makes a man perfect. You keep on practicing mathematics. It is easy. It is actually easy. Okay, thank you.